For the Redimark TC12 Inkjet coder to date code, it must detect products to know when to code. To do this, it uses the built-in product sensors that are located at the bottom face of the printhead. Take a look at this illustration. The product lid in this example is large enough in diameter to cover the printhead nozzles and the internal product sensors when moving past the printhead. This application should work using the internal sensors. In this example illustration, this product lid is much smaller and not large enough to cover the printhead nozzles and internal product sensors when moving past the printhead. This application will not work using the internal sensors. For applications where the internal product sensors cannot detect the product due to its size, or if the product surface is highly reflective or multicolored, you may need to consider using an external product sensor. Redimark has one available for purchase at redimark.com. On one end of the external product sensor there is a M12 connector, and on the other end is the photocell device. Insert the M12 connector into the top connector port on the TC12 printhead and tighten the thread on the connector using your fingers until the connection is tight. On the rear of the sensor, you'll find an adjustment for gain sensitivity. This may need to be adjusted to improve the detection of products of various color or distances from the sensor. To know that the sensor is detecting a product, you will notice a red flashing LED, known as the alignment indicator device in this illustration. For more information, please see the pamphlet that comes with the external product sensor. Now that you have your external sensor connected, you will need to go into the TC12 controller interface and set up the external sensor. Tap on Settings at the top of the main screen. Under the Coding tab, tap on the external button in the Print Sensor section. You may need to enter a distance setting. This is the physical distance between the external product sensor and printhead. You will notice, since you are using the external sensor, that the auto line speed mode and auto line direction are no longer selectable. These modes only work when using the internal product sensor. Set up the line speed and line direction that works best for your application. If the line speed setting is not accurate, or if a variable speed conveyor is used, the actual distance between the external sensor and printhead will not be correct. When using a variable line speed conveyor, we recommend you use a line speed encoder. You can purchase the line speed encoder at redimark.com. There is a simple way to verify that the internal or external product sensor is working. Go into the Status tab under the Settings menu. You should see the visual indicators light up when either product sensor is activated. You're all set. You are now ready to use your Redimark coder with the external product sensor.